Hello viewer. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. My name is Monday Boy. So I'm going to show you how to earn $500 before the end of the month. Now, I made mention of this some time ago. Some persons were like, making jest of me. How possible is that going to be $500? I should show my proof of earning and all that. Now, if you look at, I launched this campaign in less than 8 hours ago. Okay, today, 19th of January. Okay, now if you look at the earnings so far, it's already $96. We are on a 30-day challenge with my members. I told them, let's do this on a 30-day challenge. We make $500. Those of them, when I started showing them the result within less than 24 hours, they were like, wow. So now, without wasting more time, let's go to the transaction. Under the transactions, then you can see the earnings here, the transaction so far. Okay, so $96, the CPL. Look at the conversion, what I've been earning here. You can see it, $96 each. The campaign now is at 19th, that is 14th hour. This is where we are now. The last campaign that earning that came in, $1.2 payout. You can see it, $1.2. Now we go to page 2. Page 2, you see the transaction. You can see it again as it is going. That's my transaction so far. Then you go to page 3. We see it. Everything happened today. I launched this campaign midnight, so it started running by midnight. Now you can see it's not yet 2 p.m. and I've already generated almost $100. So before the end of the month, is $500 going to be a big deal for me? So now to the last page, the 4th page. So I want to show you when the campaign started. Now you can see it. This campaign started, this is the last page of it, when 19th, 1937, 19 minutes past 12, that was when I started it. You can see it, $1.2, and I was earning 1.2 on CPA. You can see each opt-in, when people just enter their name and email, confirm their email, I get paid. Once they go to the website, enter their name and email, confirm the email, I get paid. That's just how simple it is. You see, they are just downloading free reports. The free report is making them money. They are just getting free reports. So I'm making money by giving out free report to people. So I will teach you how to earn money by giving out free reports. All you need to do is just to follow the instruction, get this video tutorial, and then straight ahead, move ahead and make the money. Now you continue, you can see it here. So let me go to the first page, the current page now, and see the time. You can see the time, 14:37. Okay, the same 19th of January. Can you see now? In less than 8 hours, okay, in less than 24 hours, from 12 midnight to 2 p.m. Now that is just around 12, or let's say 13 to 14 hours. Did you see it now? I've already generated how much? $96. You can see here. Okay, so before the end of today, I know I'm going to make more than $100. So if I'm making $100 every day, in the next 5 days, I'll get $500, isn't it? So $500 in a month is not a big deal here. Did you get it now? So all you need to do is just lay your hand on this step-by-step tutorial that I'm creating now. You will enjoy it. You will love it. I'll teach you everything. I've created a free training group, WhatsApp group, where I teach people anything, question they have, they ask me, I attend to them. Okay, so that is how it is. Now, without wasting more time, let me show you the earning, the payout I did in some years back. The paycheck I received. Paycheck, I think, yes. So the payment from the company, the paycheck was this. Okay, so you can see it, the receipt when the payment was made. That was when I first started this program. I saw it, and later I forgot my login details. I couldn't access it again. I abandoned it. That was when I started binary option business. Okay, so the payout was almost $400. You can see affiliate CPA sales commission. Did you get it now? That's the receipt. So it was sent to me, and I withdrew the money. That was it. Okay, so you too can do the same thing. If you are serious, you can do the same thing. All right, so all you need to do now is just grab this report, take action, and see the sky will be your limit, or let me say a stepping stone. All right, thank you for watching my video. So I remain Monday Boy. You can check if you have any question, or if you want to message me. This is my Facebook page. Okay, just send me a message. I will attend to you. Okay, you can see others are asking me questions and many other. All right, so that is just it. Thank you for watching my video. This is just the preview. If you're interested, place an order. Order it. It's just a token of 6,000 naira. That's around $15. Okay, you get this step-by-step video tutorial. Thank you for watching.